understand. So if I know the area of the sector, right? Let me call an imaginary point C here. So if I know the area of the sector OACB and I minus the area of triangle OAB, so I'll get the area of the segment.
Yes.
Yes. So the formula is this only. You have theta by 360 into pi r square, which is the area of the sector, minus okay, half base into height. I cannot use here because I don't know what is this.
Height.
I don't know what is this. Yes, what I know is radius, which is OC, but this is height. So this I don't know. So if you don't know, then you can use this formula, which I'm giving you, r square into sine of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2.
I have a doubt. In school, like in my class, we learned another formula for the segment. It is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sine theta. Is it correct?
Half r square sine theta.
Yes.
Yeah, in trigonometry we will cover that. It's basically the same thing that I'll tell you again.
Okay.
Okay, and that also depends upon the question. If in some question this height is already given, so if it is possible that we can use half base into height, then we can use for the area of the triangle.
Okay.
If that is not given and this angle theta is given, so we will have to stick to this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Harsha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Harsha, which question we were doing in the last class? Question number?
Ma'am, I wasn't there for the last class, but
Mm.
2 classes before we did question number 4.
Exercise 12.2 we are doing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 minute. Let me open it. Okay, so let us do question number 5. So in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center, right?
We didn't finish question 4.
We didn't finish. Okay, so you want me to finish it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center, right? So basically you have a chord, let me call it AB, and this subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center. So this is 90 degree. This is the center O. Find the area corresponding to a minor segment. So that means this area you have to find. Clear? Okay, and major sector. So first find out minor segment. Now radius of the circle is already given. So this side is 10 centimeter. First part, right? So radius of circle is given 10 centimeter. right? So area of minor segment. That you know, area of sector and minus area of triangle OAB, right? Okay, so area of sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus. Now again, we don't have height here, so we will stick to this formula r square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Right? Now let us put the value. So theta is 90 degrees. So 90 divided by 360 into pi. You have to use 3.14. It is given 3.14 into r square. Radius is 10. So 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, right? And then minus, this is again 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into, this will be sine 90 by 2. This will be cos 90 by 2. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So 1 0 cancels out and 9 into 9 is 36. So this becomes, I'm writing here 1 upon 9. Now I remove the decimal. So it is 314 divided by 100. Clear? Into, then you have 10.
9 times 4, right?
I'm sorry, I divide by 4. Okay, sorry. This is 1 by 4. And 10 into 10. Okay, minus. Now this is again 10 into sine 45 into cos 45, right? Okay, so 100, all the zeros get cancelled out. And can you just divide it? So 4 into, yeah, is it divisible? And then minus, then you have 100. How much is sine 45? 0, half, 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2, right? Okay, so you have 314 divided by 4 minus, so this is 100 and divided by root 2 multiplied by root 2 becomes 2. Clear? Okay, so this will be 314 divided by 4 minus of 50. Then you can take LCM because you are subtracting fractions. So LCM will be 4 and this will be 314 minus 4 into 5 is 20. So 200. And this will be, so 114 divided by 4, right? And now you can divide this by 4. So 4 into 2 is 8, right? Then you have 34. 4 into 8 is 32. Then you have 20. 4 into 5 is 20. So 28.5 and centimeter square because it's area. Robin, is this understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now in the second part, you have to find the area of major segment, right? Is it segment or sector? Okay, it's sector. Okay, it's sector. Major sector means this is a circle, right? So you will subtract this area. So you will be left with the area of major sector. So this will be equal to area of circle and minus area of minor sector, right? Okay. So directly put formula here. So area of circle is pi r square. Area of sector, minor sector, you know, theta by 360 into pi r square. Correct? So pi r square minus, just put here 90 divided by 360 into pi r square, right? Okay, so this is pi r square minus, this is again 1 by 4 into pi r square, right? So you can take pi r square common, and then you have 1 minus 1 by 4, right? Okay, so if you take LCM now, so pi r square and LCM is 4, so this is 4 minus 1. So basically you now have 3 by 4 pi r square, clear? Now you can put values. So 3 by 4 into pi, you have to use 3.14, it's given in the question. And radius is 10, so 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So again, 3 by 4 into, now remove decimal, so 314 divided by 100 into 10 into 10, now this becomes centimeter square. Okay, so all the 0 cancels out. So you have 3 into 314 divided by 4. This division, I think we have just done. No. Yeah, we have done, right? So 3 into, this was 28.5. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Centimeter square, now multiply by 3. So 3 into 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 into 8 is 24, 125, carry 2. 3 into 2, 6. So 85.5 centimeters square I'm getting. Oh no, some mistake is there, I think. So 4 into, sorry, I think there's a mistake. So 4 into 7 is 28. Yeah, okay. Then you have 34. So 4 into 8 is 32. And then you have 20. Sorry, it was 78.5, not 28.5. Is that clear? Now you multiply. So 3 into 5 is 15, carry 1. So 3 into 8 is 24 and 125, carry 2. 3 into 7 is 21 and 22, 23. So 2. Can you just check the answer in the NCRT? What is the answer given?
Ma'am, it's correct.
Okay. Right. Now question number 5. Who is there in the class now? Hamna, can you hear me? Rida? Please unmute yourself, Rida. Question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, if I draw a circle, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So there's an arc. Now what is an arc? It's part of the circumference, right? So I just take an arc. Let's say this much arc I'm taking. This is A and this is B. Is that clear? And this is the center O. So this radius is 21 centimeter and this angle is 60 degree. It's given. Find the length of the arc. So you have to find the length AB. See, I cannot call it AB because AB can be this also, isn't it? So I just mark a point here, C, anywhere. So I will name it ACB. to identify. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, let us find the length of the arc. So Robin, length of the arc, also it has a formula you can note.
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Exactly. So ACB. So this is again theta by 360 and circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. Right? Now you put it. So 60 divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, which is 21 centimeter. Right? Okay. So now this 0 cancels out. And 6 into 6 is 36. So I have 1 upon 6 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. And see, because this is length, so it will have only 1 centimeter, which you can see, right? Okay, so 7 into 1 and 7 into 3. Then you have 3 into 1, 3 into 2, and this 2 cancels out. So this is 22 centimeter is the length of the arc. Okay. Second, area of the sector formed by the arc. So area of the sector.
I have a doubt.
Sure.
If they ask the area of the sector, so should we find the area of major sector or minor sector?
Minor sector.
Okay, thank
Because it's written area of sector formed by the arc. Okay. And you are considering this arc. Isn't it?
you. Yes.
So this arc is forming minor sector here. So area of minor sector you will take.
Okay, thank you.
So OACB, this way you can name it to identify. Okay, so C is a point we have mentioned somewhere on the arc. So to make it clear that this sector we are taking, not the major one. So OACB. This is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now just put the value simple. 60 by 360 into 22 by 7, radius is 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter. Again, this is 1 by 6, right? Into and 7 if I divide, so 3 times it will go. So 22 into 3 into 21 and then centimeter square it will become. Yeah, I can divide by 3 now. So 3 into 2 and then this becomes 11. So ultimately you have 11 into 21 centimeter square, which you can multiply. So 231 centimeter square. Yes, Rida, done. Hamna. Harsha, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Third part, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So this time you have to find the segment, right? So the chord we are taking is this, which is A, B, and C. So a segment means we have to join this. This is my chord, and this is the segment formed by this chord, right? Area of segment will be equal to area of sector, which we have already found. Area of sector OACB, right? Minus area of triangle OAB. See, Robin, what you were saying is that in the school you are using this formula, which is what you are using? Just tell me.
Theta by 360
Into pi r square minus.
half r
Hmm.
square sine theta.
Okay. See, this is the same thing because sine of 2 theta is actually equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Basically, this formula we have used here. Okay. Now let me show you how you can convert it. So this is the formula which I am using, which is r square sine of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So if I just bring one 2 here because there's a 2, right? So what I'll do is r square divided by 2 and into 2, then sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Any problem?
No.
Okay. Now what is this equal to?
Uh,
Sine 2 theta,
theta.
right? So this will become r square by 2 and this will be sine of 2 theta. So my theta is already theta by 2. 2 theta will be theta.
Yes.
So it's actually the same thing which you are using,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
So it's the same formula, just a different way of writing it. So
Okay.
don't worry about it.
Okay.
So whichever way you want, you can remember it.
Okay.
Okay. This you can note somewhere. This sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta, so that you will remember.
Yes.
Okay, so area of sector we have already found, which is 231 centimeter square minus area of triangle. So r square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. How much is theta given? 60 degree. R is 21, right? So 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter into sine of 60 by 2 into cos of 60 by 2. Okay, so 231 centimeter square minus. So I have 21. Okay, this centimeter square I can take common. I'll write in the end. So 21 into sine of 30 into cos of 30, right? Okay, so 231 minus, so 21 into 21 into sine 30 is 0 half, right? And cos 30 will be 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2. So this will be root 3 by 2. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
I think if I use what r square by 2 sine theta, that will make my thing simple here. Only one value I have to put instead of 2. Sine also and cos also. But anyway, both are correct. So 231 minus. So now you have to multiply. So 21 into 21. 2 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. So I have 431. So this is 431 divided by 4 into root 3. Sorry, 2 into 1 will be 2. So it will be 441. Not 441 divided by 4 into root 3 centimeter square. Now you can take LCM. 4 will be the LCM here. And this will be 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Carry 1. 4 into 4, 524 minus 441 root 3, right? Then centimeter square. Now, Harsha, please check in NCRT. Is it given in decimal or it is like this only? Sorry, it will be 9.
It's given in this form only, but it's 231, ma'am.
Sorry. 231, right? So you will get it after putting the value of root 3.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's given this one only then.
So in that case, I think before taking the before,
didn't take the LCM.
so no need of taking the LCM then. If
Yes.
you want the answer in decimal, so directly put the value of root 3. So this is 231 and minus. So 441 divided by 4 and into, how much is root 3? 1 point. Nobody remembers, right? See, I gave you this value, 1.73, isn't it? Please
So
remember, yeah.
1.73 is the value of root 3?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
This we also did in chapter number 1, right?
I'm not sure because in my school we didn't do this.
Okay. Yeah, I mean the other students of my class actually did this root 3. Anyway, so there is no other way you have to solve it, right? Okay, so 231 minus, let me just divide this by 4, right? So 4 into 1, then 4 into 1, then 0, then I have 10, right? So 4 into 2 is 8, and then I have 20. Okay, and then into 1.73. I think this multiplication you can do, right, Harsha?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please multiply this quickly.
Ma'am, I'm getting 1907.325.
190
.7325.
7325. Okay. So you can reduce it up to 2 places of decimal. 4 places you don't need. And so it will be 190.73 only, right? Because 2 is smaller than 5, so 3 will remain 3, correct?
Okay.
Do you remember how to round off, everyone? So I
Yes.
have 190.7325, right, Robin?
Yes.
So first of all, I want to remove this 5. So when you have 5, it is taken as greater, right? So the next number becomes 733. Okay, now again, this 3 is smaller than 5. So it will remain 73 only. Okay, now just subtract it. So 231.00 and minus 190.73. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 7, 2. Then you have 9, and then you have 12 minus 9, which is 3. Am I right? 39.27 I'm getting as an answer. Yes, what are you getting? Oh, some mistake I think I've done in the subtraction. So 10 minus 3 is 7, right? 9 minus 7 is 2, fine. Then I have, okay, I'm sorry, 0 minus 0 will be 0. Then you have 13 minus 9, which is 4. I'm sorry, it should be 40 plus, sorry, 0.27. And everything was in centimeter square, right? We forgot to write it. So that's the answer. See, this chapter actually involves some minute calculations. So you have to be very good at your calculations. Formula are just 2-3 formula are there. Rest is all calculations you have to do accurately.
Teacher, is it okay if we stop at 231 minus?
Yeah, in terms of root 3 also you can leave the answer. Right?
Okay, teacher.
See, sometimes in question it will be given that use root 3 is equal to 1.73. Now, if this thing is given in the question, that means you have to you have to substitute the value of root 3 and you have to obtain it in decimal. Otherwise, you can leave.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now next question, number 6. Now you can see in this question, it's already given. Root 3 is 1.73. So that means you have to substitute it. Okay. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. So you have a chord, right? Let me draw a chord here, AB. This is the center of the circle O. Radius is 15 centimeter. Subtends an angle of 60 degree. Okay, this theta is 60 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. So first of all, let us find the minor segment. So for that, I mention a point C here anywhere, okay? So area of minor segment O, ACB. So this is area of sector minus area of triangle. So theta by 360 into pi r square minus, okay, I'm using your formula, Robin, r square by 2 into sine theta, right? Okay. So theta is 360, 60 by 360 into pi, you have to use 3.14, 3.14 into radius is 15. So 15 into 15 and it will be centimeter square minus again 15 into 15 divided by 2 sine of 60 degree. So 0, 0 cancels out. It is 1 by 6 into, if I remove the decimal, so 314 divided by 100 and 15 into 15. Then you have minus 15 into 15 divided by 2 sine 60 is 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2. Right. Now you can simplify a little bit. So 3 into 2, 3 into 5, right? Okay, then 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 11, 2 into 5 is 10, 14, so 157. I think let's not disturb this 100 in the denominator. Now here, I think I cannot cancel anything. So 157 into 5. 5 into 7 is 35. 3, 15 and 3 is 18. Carry 1. 685 into 15 and then divided by 100 minus, sorry, 15 into 15 is how much? 225 divided by 4 and root 3. So this you can multiply if you wish. Okay, let us try to solve it. If I divide by 5, so I'll get 3 here and I'll get 23, and then you have 20. I think it's better to multiply and then put decimal. It will make things easier. So 685 and into 15. 5 into 5 is 25. 40 into 42 is 30 and it's 34. Then you have 5, 5, and this 7, 8 and 4 is 12, 9 and 1, 10, and then 200. So 102.75 I get, and minus. Okay, so root 3 is also given in the question. That means you have to put it. So 225 divided by 4 into 1.73. Clear? Okay, so 102.75 minus. I think here also we can simple multiply and then divide by 4. Okay, so 225 into 1.73. Please do, all of you. So
56.25.
okay, let me just check. Okay, 4 into 9 will be 36 here.
You actually did 225 by 4 now.
Okay, so you have divided that.
Yeah, then I'll multiply it by 1.73.
But you should get the same thing that way also.
Yeah, I didn't multiply it by 1.
Okay, now completed.
.3125.
Yeah, that's right. And then you have 2, then it will be 5. So 97.3125 I'm also getting. You can reduce it to 2 places. 102.75 minus. So this will be 97 point. This will become 3 and then it will remain 31. Now if you subtract it, so I'm getting 5.44 and this is in centimeter square, right? Okay. So what I have found now, area of minor segment, right? Yeah, area of minor segment only I have found 5.44 centimeter square. Is this correct? Is everybody getting it? Let me just check the calculation here itself.
It's given 20.4375 in the back.
Somewhere I think there is one 4 which is missing, right? So if you multiply this by 4, you will get it. Let me just check it.
Yes, teacher. 157 into 5 is 785.
Yeah, here there was a mistake, right?
Yes, it was 785.
So that means and then 115 I have. Let me just check. See, so far it was correct, right? So 60 by 360, it will become 1 by 6. Then you have 314 divided by 100 and then 15 into 15. So far it's correct, right? So it 314. See, no problem. I'm just erasing this much part. There's a mistake here, right? Just the first one. Let us write this again. So this 0, 0 cancels out and this becomes 1 upon 6, right? Into 314 divided by 100 into 15 into 15 is 225. Now I think it's clear. Can I just simplify? So 2 into 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. Then you have 11. So 2 into 5 is 10 and then 14. So I get 7, right? Okay, now this can be divided by 3. So 3 into 1 and 3 into 7 is 21. Then you have 15. So 3 into 5 is 15. So now I have 157 into 75. Which is how much? 11775 divided by 100. Is that clear? So I should get 117.75. Harsha, is this correct? Okay, this side I have 15 into 15 again, which is this, and divided by 4. 225 divided by 4 should be 56 point.
I'm getting 11565.
56.25, right? And let us solve this again. I think here also we can solve it again. See, one little mistake causes everything wrong. Anyway, 15 into 15 is 225 and 2 into 2 is 4 and then you have root 3, so 1.73. So let us do this. 225 divided by 4. So it will be 2 into 4 into 5, 20. 25 means 4 into 6 is 24. Then you have 10. So 4 into 2 is 8. And then this, right? Into 1.73. Now you please multiply it. Yeah, I think you were getting right. 97.3125, right? So 97.31 if I just reduce it. Now you subtract. So this will give you 20.44 centimeters square. Sorry, some calculation mistake was there. Is this understood now, Robin?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So this was the minor segment only we have found. Now I want to find the area of, yeah, sure. See, when you do calculations also, do everything very stepwise, okay? Just don't do all the calculations in one step. So I think that was the mistake I also did here and got something wrong. Do one by one. Yeah. Okay, so area of major segment I want now. So area of major segment is simple, area of circle and minus area of minor segment, right? Which we have named ACB in our figure. Area of circle is pi r square and this we have already found 20.44 centimeters square. Pi you have to use 3.14. Radius, how much was the radius? 15. Okay, so 15 and centimeter into 15 centimeter minus 20.44 centimeters square. So this becomes 3.14 into, this is 225 centimeters square minus 20.44 centimeters square. Okay, again multiply. So I'm getting 706.50 here, right? Okay, now you can subtract. So minus 20.44. 10 minus 4, 6. 4 minus 4, 0. Then you have 6. And then 10 minus 2 will be 8. And then you have 6. So 686.06.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, next question. Okay, it's a similar kind of question, so I'm not solving it. Now you'll solve it yourself, right? So a chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. You have a chord, let's say AB, of radius 12 centimeter. Okay. Subtends an angle of 120 degrees. So this time it is 120 degree. At the center, find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. See, Robin, again, if you ask the question whether it's a minor segment or major segment, so you have to use the corresponding segment. That means the segment which corresponds to this chord, right?
Yes.
So that means this minor segment you have to find.
Yes.
ACB.
Yes.
Yeah. Now please do it, both of you, all of you, I mean.
Now, what would be sine 120?
Yeah, so Robin, now see here, if you are using this r square by 2 into sine theta, right? So you will get sine of 120 degree, which you don't know.
Yeah, we don't know the
We
sign.
don't know, yeah. So either you have to use some other, concepts of trigonometry, or simple use that formula sine 2 theta and convert it to r square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So your theta will now become 60. So you know sine 60, you know cos 60. See here, the problem is basically you have to divide the circle in quadrant. If you want sine 120, what will happen now? So sine of 120 can be written as 90 and then plus 30. Is that
30.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. So that means it is falling in the second quadrant. Is that clear?
Yes.
So it will be positive or negative?
It will be negative.
So it will become, so better not go into that problem. Just convert it like this and make it 60 degree. Okay.
Okay, teacher.